Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. Guys, it's never a dull moment in crypto. I've got updates today in relation to Ripple, XRP. We're talking about XDC and Xinfin. Very bullish on this. CASPER's mooning today, which is really nice as well. Very undervalued in my opinion. We've also got some updates in relation to Celsius. Very interesting stuff that's happened there for sure. Going to go through everything today. Sorry, give you a crypto market update. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Let's get straight into it, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. We are just getting started, literally. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through. It would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen. Do that. Give it a good old thumbs up down there. It doesn't cost you anything. It's absolutely free. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose, but you can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto, all right? So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. Let's go straight to the community tab. And basically, these were the altcoins up in my portfolio today. Casper, UFO, Telcoin, Reef, and Win. Bullish on Reef, and I'm bullish on Casper. I've been holding UFO, Telcoin, and Win for a very long time. Have got massive bags of them because the coins are virtually very, very cheap. So when you put $100, $200, $300 in that, you get 1 million coins. Anyway, that's pretty much it for that. Let's go to CoinSpot, and then we'll get into all the news, guys. Let's go straight to the top gainers today. Now, CoinSpot, there is a referral link below for this. Please feel free to use that. You will get $10 in Bitcoin. Of course, do your own research with this stuff. All these prices you see here are in Australian dollars. Everything else is set to USD because I'm catering for everybody around the world. Let's have a look at these coins. These are my favorites. Let's go through it. Bitcoin sitting at $31,000 today. I honestly believe, this is Australian dollars, by the way, this is the bottom, all right? 30K AUD has been the bottom for a very long time. And again, I don't think it's going to be dropping much below that because it's been trading like this for months, and that's my opinion. Now, you have a shot of espresso. Who doesn't want coffee? There you go. Ethereum, $2,100 today. Very nice. I need this to go back up. At least I'm staking this, earning passive income on CoinSpot. Now, that's where I do stake. Now, XRP is at 78 cents right now. Very undervalued in my opinion. I did throw in a gorilla last week, which is $1,000. I call that a gorilla. And I've just been holding that for a long time. Guys, this is going to absolutely go parabolic, in my opinion. When we get any more positive news that Ripple's won the lawsuit, forget it. You will never see 78 cents again, and that's absolute facts. Now, Cardano's at 68 cents as well. Another one, guys. These two are battling it out for their market caps right there. Have been for a while, but guys, XRP is going to overtake Ethereum very soon, in my opinion. Solana's at $53. Doge's at 10 cents. Stuff's happening with Twitter as well, and Elon Musk. The battle continues, guys, so we'll see what happens with Doge. Matic is $1.34. Polkadot's at $10 as well. Moving on, you've got Link at $12. You've got Stellar XLM completely undervalued as well, 19 cents. Near Protocol's at $5. Algorand's at 55 cents. You've got Luna Classic down 1.82% as well. Some stuff's been happening with that as well. Terraformer Labs have also, a couple of founders have been arrested as well in South Korea, so we'll have a look at that. VeChain is at 3 cents. Quant is still at $220. If that drops back down to the 180 to 170 Australian mark, I will buy some more Quant. Still cheap in my opinion. Yes, it's expensive, but it's still cheap in the big scheme of things when it's going to be a $10,000 to $20,000 asset in the future, right? Hedera is at 9 cents as well. Very undervalued. You've got Mana, $1.11. You've got Sandbox, $1.35, getting listed on Binance, I believe. So we'll see what happens with that. Theta is $1.73. Axie Infinity is still holding at $20. Has been this level for a very long time, all right? It's like a stable coin at $20 at the moment. And again, I was buying that at $80, all right? And I started staking it, and basically the price dropped. But again, I've been buying more on, obviously, at these prices, because if it goes back up to its all-time high, which in Australian dollars was about 220 AUD, which is just insane. So if it does that, the staking rewards are going to be absolutely ridiculous. So Love Xinfin, by the way. IOTA's at 43 cents as well. You've got Neo at $13. Phantoms at 35 cents. Engine sitting at 71 cents today. Waves at $6. XDC is up. There's some interesting stuff happening with XDC. It's up nearly 7% to just over 5 cents. All right. So again, plenty of time everyone's had to accumulate this. Not financial advice, but again, I've been dollar cost averaging into XDC. Sorry, both XRP and XDC. Anyway, CASPER's up 12%, 5 cents as well. I'm going to go through what that is because it's very interesting. Rose is at 9 cents as well. Gala sitting at 6 cents, very undervalued. And of course, Reef is up 10% today. Very nice. Again, I've seen this in the dollar predictions as well. ALBT down 5.22% to 9 cents as well. And XYO, another value gem at 1 cent. All right, let's go to Crypto Bubbles. And guys, join the Patreon. Everything is linked below. Guys, it's an incredible community I'm building with bullish investors for serious investors, and I love putting up my trades, what I'm doing, staking, investing, cryptos, stocks, everything. I love talking with everyone in there, so go join it. Links are below. Let's go through Crypto Bubbles at the moment, guys. The biggest gainer on the day, of course, is Casper. And, again, I think it's incredibly undervalued as well. Banking sector, the same thing, guys. 9.4% on the day, 17% on the week, and 28% on the month, which is insanely bullish, guys. It's obviously all-time high where he was 22 cents, and it's currently at 3 cents USD right now. Very undervalued. And we have XDC, which is very nice to see this in Crypto Bubbles, which has been a very long time. 4.4% on the day, 21% on the month, guys. Again, this asset is going after trade finance. All right, it is a $1 trillion industry, trade finance. Go look it up. Unbelievable. Love XDC. And obviously, Helium token down 8.8% as well, 1.1% on the week, 41% on the month, still up. So again, $53 trading at $5 right now. It's an absolute bargain. Looking at these prices now from coming out of, I've been holding Bitcoin since 2017. Saw the rise on the last bull market, which was ridiculous. Seeing these prices now, it's like buying everything at a discount. That's why I love this bear market territory right now, because everything's at a discount. People need to understand that at new coming into this space, it's very cheap. All right, I was buying Axie Infinity at $80. XRP, back when the bull run was happening, I was dollar cost averaging, and my average price was like $2 to $2.50. So to see it at everything at these prices now, like literally 70 to 80% off, I mean, do the math. Anyway, so we're going to be moving very soon into a bull market. That's my opinion. Now, news update. Ripple protests SEC's move right here to block third-party evidence, says regulator, mischaracterizing law in the XRP lawsuit. Of course, so Ripple Labs is protesting the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Gensler's goon squad right here moved to block third-party evidence in the lawsuit the regulatory agency filed against them. According to the evidence produced by defense lawyer James K. Filani, Legend, Ripple recently penned a letter to Judge Annalisa Torres saying that the SEC is mischaracterizing the law by moving to contest third-party briefs submitted by IRMIT and TapJets. I'm sure there's going to be a lot more people as well coming in this. The SEC mischaracterizes both the briefs and the law when it claims that the preferred amicus briefs of IRMIT and TapJets constitute improper attempts by Movens to offer evidence outside the constraints of discovery restrictions, the rules of evidence, and the court's prior order. IRMIT and TapJets are independent third parties, otherwise unconnected with this litigation. They seek permission to file briefs to offer the court their important perspective on whether the industry participants invested in XRP, whether they expected profits from the defendant's efforts, and how the SEC theory of this case is adopted by the court would adversely impact their businesses. And it would, not only their businesses, but industries as a whole. This is how big this case is, guys. It's going to not only affect these, IRMIT and TapJets. You're talking about banks around the world. You're talking about retail investors, businesses, institutions. It's a huge case. Really is. So they provide the court with information concerning their business operations and the industries to support their perspectives. There is nothing wrong with that. Facts. Private jet ride sharing services TapJets and remittance company IRMIT initially asked to serve the amicus curiae or friends of the court on October 4th. The amicus curiae can submit documents to the court known as amicus briefs as long as they contain relevant information about the case and are accepted by the court beforehand. Tapjet said that it is interested in the case because it plans on using XRP as a currency, while iRemit said that it used Ripple's cross-border payment system right here. Just 2 days later, the SEC objected to the firms joining the case, saying that it was an attempt to introduce evidence into the case outside the traditional constraints of discovery. SEC, go get effed. All right, straight up, you're being absolute... I'm not going to say it on this channel, we'll probably get banned, but I'm not going to do that. It's just ridiculous, all right? Ripple Labs joins blockchain carbon credit partnerships, right? There's going to be a lot of companies and institutions doing this carbon credits right here. So Ripple Labs, the firms whose payment network is powered by self-described carbon neutral cryptocurrency token, XRP, has partnered with Web3 climate startup Tallow and various other companies to build a carbon credit market on the blockchain. This is insane, guys. This is going to be a lot of money flowing into this. Just saying, all right? Proud to take the climate action alongside Tallow and a Web3 carbon offset marketplace using the XRP ledger to increase the transparency and efficiency in voluntary carbon markets. Ripple stated on Tuesday, obviously in a tweet on its official handle, Tellow's team consists of experts in climate, sustainability, and Web3 and aims to connect users to high-quality carbon credits on the blockchain, according to the Tallow press release. Keep an eye on the carbon. Another crypto that I'm looking at the moment is Energy Web. That's one as well I'm looking at. So I'm not paid to say this, guys, but Energy Web is one that I'm looking at as well because that space is going to be absolutely huge. Now, 105 million XRP moved by unknown wallets. Here's behind the transfers, guys. Again, keep an eye on this because this is going to become a regular occurrence. So Crypto Whale Alert, a total of 105 million XRP evaluated at $51 million was transferred from more than 10 hours ago. While the tracker believes the wallet who sent and received XRP chunk to an anonymous, obviously to be anonymous, data from XRP-focused analytics website BitHump right here shows that the funds were moved from Binance addressed to an account on Bittrex exchange, which is very interesting. So we're going to be seeing a lot more of this. Once cross-border payments start, guys, 105 million is going to be like a drop in the ocean when you start talking trillions. And interestingly enough, my good mate Lewis here, and I'm going to play you his video. If XRP and Ripple go after the derivatives market, which is a $700 trillion market, what do you think is going to be happening every day on Whale Alert? I don't think they're going to be able to keep up with that. Just facts. Now, XDC, guys, do not sleep on this. $50 million from LDA Capital to drive ecosystem development. So check this right here, guys. The founders of XDC have leveraged a portion of their personal token allocations to secure $50 million commitment from global alternative investment group LDA Capital to accelerate the expansion of development of the Layer 2 projects across the XDC ecosystem and to facilitate network adoption, real-world utility. LDA support will help fund new ventures and entities laser-focused on increasing network adoption among retail and institutional participants, jump-starting the on-chain activity and total value lock TVL, and supporting technological innovation. So LDA Capital is pleased with the developments that made in the XDC network by XDC ecosystem. In addition to this funding, LDA will offer strategic counsel and support to help XDC blockchain network assume its position as a market leader. Up there, of course, with Ripple and Stellar and Quant, IOTA and Algorand, the banking coins. Now, CASPER is pumping today. And for those of you who do not know what the hell it is, guys, CASPER Network is a decentralized layer 1 proof-of-stake blockchain built off the CASPER CBC specification. CASPER is designed to accelerate enterprise and developer adoption of blockchain technology today and evolve to meet the needs of the future. Okay, so it's very bullish. Now, again, dollar cost averaging into this, but a partnership I want to show you as well with CASPER is with IBM. Now, IBM computers, I know it's not Apple, but IBM's been around for a very long time. So the way forward, hybrid networks powered by IBM blockchain services and CASPER Labs. All right, so this is bullish as well. And I just want to point this out. So for the enterprise, unlocking the power of hybrid networks means thoughtful strategy, design, and experience rooted in trusted data, tokenization, probability of asset, and scalability of users. This digital convergence is the new table stakes for successful monetization in the digital economy. This is what's happening around the world for de-risking an enterprise marginal dollar investment in the space. Today, we are delivering Web3 and metaverse consulting, leveraging years of market-leading client success, powered by blockchain, working with both permissionless and private networks. We know that the potential has always been there for more. This week's Davos, we're delivering on that vision right here, guys, in one hybrid blockchain success story that we showcased this week. IBM Blockchain Services, together with our partner Casper Labs, are trailblazing success together, leveraging hashed time lock contracts to make organizations, workflows, and transactions more seamlessly interoperable between blockchain networks. All right, bullish as anything on Casper as well. Keep an eye on it. I do hold it, which is nice as well, and I'm going to be adding more to my portfolio. Now, BNB Chain has been hacked, guys, today, after suspected $536 million was compromised, which is crazy. A wallet worth over $536 million started acting erratically, prompting the BNB chain to halt completely. Crazy. So the wallet started swapping and borrowing tokens across multiple ecosystems at a rapid pace, leading onlookers to believe it had been hacked. BNB chain halted its blockchain due to the irregular activity. Pretty crazy that they can do that as well. You just stop the entire chain. Unbelievable stuff. Now, this is what I want to show about Celsius for those of you who want to know as well. But 3 top Celsius executives withdrew $42 million before the crypto lender announced liquidity bottleneck. This is not good. I've got friends that have invested into Celsius as well and lost a lot of money, and really bad. They need to hand that money back, all right? So new documents in the Celsius bankruptcy hearing revealed withdrawals from top-ranking executives prior to the crypto lender's decision to pause operations in June. Alex Machensky, former CSO Daniel Leon, and current CTO Newt Goldstein cryptos, including Bitcoin, Celsius tokens, Ether, and Circle's USD coin from custody accounts. Court documents revealed late on Wednesday. The troubled crypto lender is scheduled to hold a final asset auction on October 17th. Keep an eye on that. But guys, $42 million before they stopped. Where's that money now? Very interesting. Now, Grayscale. All right, massive investment firm right here, guys. Debuts Bitcoin mining investment vehicle that pays mined Bitcoin as a dividend, which is really nice as well. So Grayscale's unique position at the center of the crypto ecosystem enables us to create offerings that allow investors to put capital to work through different market cycles. Who doesn't want to earn, mined Bitcoin as a dividend, guys? I love dividends. Anyway, just an update there for you. Cryptometer.io. Let's see where the money's been flowing in the last day. We've got XMR Monero. You've got Ethereum here, guys. We've got Win. I do hold that. Stellar XLM. Reef, again, undervalued. Bitcoin, BNB as well. And GMT stepping as well. So, again, nice to see Reef there because that is definitely undervalued. Now, let's go to Twitter right now and see what's going on here, guys. Let me just go to my page. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Go follow me there, guys. Codius is an open source, obviously, contracts platform, and I want to play you this video from Lewis right here. And guys, go give him a follow. Legend, mate. So he's got a very interesting view here in regards to XRP and Codius. You want to listen to this. I'm going to play this for you now. Have a listen to him.
However, I was watching... XRP has to be at a high price point. That high price point is really impossible to know. But when you're looking at markets that are a couple of $1 trillion, you can assume that the XRP price, when used in all of those transactions, would be at quite a high price. However, I was watching a cryptocurrency video yesterday, and he's talking about Codius. For example, Codius would allow you through smart contracts to be able to buy a house and send the deeds through the blockchain and through the Codius system. So when all the parties of a transaction agree, X happens. And so you actually avoid all third parties in this way. However, this isn't just a couple of $1 trillion market that they're trying to tackle here. The global derivatives market, which Codius would be integrating with, is $700 trillion. What do you think the price is going to be after all of that? Oh, and did I mention that David Schwartz said that if he wasn't working on Ripple, he would want to be working in Codius? Did you also know that Polysign, Codius, and XRP are working together? Come on now, stop sleeping on XRP. There are
Bullish as anything. Go follow Lewis, guys. Links in the Twitter page, and thank you for that video, mate. Incredibly bullish stuff, all right? And we know this for a fact. Now, this is one thing I love about, crypto in general and, this whole new world is that once everything moves to the blockchain, guys, when you're talking about houses being sold around the world on the blockchain, especially Codius and Ripple and XRP, which we know they're probably going to be going after, which for a fact, you're talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars being sold and moved every single hour, literally. There is a system in Australia called PEXA, which property settlements do happen on every single day. And to be quite honest, Ripple's going to be destroying that, right? So, this is what I'm saying. Once this all moves to the blockchain, it's going to be crazy. Now, I just want to play this video right here in relation to Ripple. Have a look at this, guys.
Finance. Finance is always moving. But is it really moving forward? Or is it just stuck in the same old cycle? Crypto solutions are transforming finance, making it faster and more efficient than we ever thought possible, moving us all into a dynamic new era. Ripple. Crypto means business.
Love that. Awesome stuff. Now, some interesting stuff here as well. Quickly, I want to end up on this pretty quick. So the Swiss National Bank is following the situation at Credit Suisse closely. This is full on, guys. They could take down the entire world with him literally and crash like the Lehman Brothers did in 2008. Now, we've got an interview with Brad Garlinghouse right here. This is an old interview because he does state in there that there are only 2,000 cryptocurrencies. So I'm assuming it's around 2017, 2018. Crazy to think that there are now 20,200 cryptocurrencies, guys. 99% of them will disappear. Let's have a listen to Brad Garlinghouse, the legend from Ripple, all right? Have a listen to this.
An XRP.
Those who are trading crypto purely based upon speculation where there is no problem being solved, that's a dangerous game. I think right now, I've publicly said that of the 2,000 plus cryptocurrencies or digital assets out there, I think that well over 90% of them are going to go away.
Explain the connection between Ripple, the company, and XRP.
Absolutely. It's an important distinction. I'm glad you're asking because there have been a lot of people who have intentionally or unintentionally conflated the two.
Okay. Tell us about it.
Ripple is a company, and Ripple has shareholders. Ripple builds technologies and solutions. In part, not all of our technologies use XRP, but part of our technology, part of our tech stack, we use XRP to solve a liquidity problem, a payments problem for financial institutions. So the product is called XRapid. But again, anybody can build on the XRP ecosystem. It's a decentralized open source technology. And in fact, there are other interesting companies doing stuff within the XRP ecosystem. Last week or a couple weeks ago, during part of the run-up of XRP, Coil, a really interesting micropayments company, was doing some interesting things and made some announcements, that stuff they're doing. So I think it's important people understand the distinction, and I think some people have gotten that confused.
How does the performance of XRP affect Ripple, the company, and all of the various things you guys are doing?
I really don't think about the price performance. I do think about the technical performance, and I think about the fact that XRP is about 1,000 times faster than a Bitcoin transaction and about 1,000 times less expensive than a Bitcoin transaction.
Bullish as anything, guys. Now, Twitter is refusing to accept Elon Musk's renewed bid of $44 billion for social media company, according to a report. He's saying plot twist right here, guys, but can we see this deal happen finally? Who knows? I'd love to see him buy it because he's going to change everything and implement crypto. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 23 right now. And this is what I was going to say. South Korea arrests Terra's head of general affairs for fraud and market manipulation. That is crazy right now. What's going to happen with Do Kwon? I don't know if they're able to catch him. Now, Jane Adams, thank you for this tweet. If governments can print money, why are we paying taxes? And that's absolute facts, because they want to keep us poor. But we're getting too smart now with technology. Saudi Arabia raises oil prices for the US market while lowering them for the European market, which again is crazy right now. European Union bans all crypto asset accounts and custody services belonging to Russians. That's full on. Plan B, Stairway to Heaven, adding orders of magnitude right here, guys. Honestly, I think Bitcoin is going to be hitting 100K very soon. And that's just my opinion. Now, let's go to CoinMarketCap. This video is very long today, and I do apologize. $959 billion, $58 billion in volume, 40% BTC. You've got 17% Ethereum, 21,000 cryptocurrencies, which is just insane. My money is only going on these coins right here, the banking coins. As you can see right here, I do hold Ethereum XRP, ADA, XLM, Algorand, Quant, Hedera, IOTA, XDC, Casper, and Alliance Block. And of course, I am buying XDC Axie Infinity, and I am staking it just for that percentage yields and passive income as well. And I am staking a number of coins on CoinSpocket as well, because again, I love the ability to access those funds straight away. But that's it for today, guys. Make sure you join the Patreon. It is down below. Follow me on socials. We'll speak to you all in the comments and the community section. Stay safe. Have a good day. Peace out. Bye.